Guys, I'm hearing weird noises. Me and Lily both are. What is that? Lily, are you okay? Come on. Sounds like it's getting closer. Where are you going? Oh my gosh. What?
We might want to go.
Oh God. Open it. Frick. Pick up here inside. Sounds from both sides.
From all sides.
From right there.
Sounds or sirens?
Sounds like someone banging, but it was from every direction.
We should go investigate.
No.
I was so close to the fence line, I had to run back.
I was scared.